Boom! Hello there, I'm Coco. How are your studies going? I'm trying to study as much as I can, but life is not easy, eh? However, we don't need to give up. We just need to keep going, even if they are small steps. Okay? Right. This time, I learned about how to make the iconic Taegeuk symbol in the Korean flag, which is the circular graphic in the middle, and dripping typography style art from Roll Story Design Lab. I also found out that the way of making that symbol is so similar to Yin and Yang symbol, so I did it by myself. You can check my work Illustrator file in the description box below. And if you want it, you are free to use it. Also, you can check out my notes and updated the shortcut keys table. So, please check it out. When I was following a lesson about how to make a dripping typography, my curiosity led me to the Blob Brush Tool and how it's different with the paintbrush tool. Let's find out the difference between the paintbrush tool and Blob Brush Tool. Basically, both of them are brush tools. You can draw as much as you want, but the big difference is after you draw. What I mean is that when you finish drawing using the paintbrush tool and Blob Brush tool, it will give you different results. Let's check it out in more detail. As you can see, I will draw on the top with paintbrush tool and with Blob Brush tool on the bottom. Now, can you see the difference? No, you don't. How about this? I will switch to outline mode. So now you can see the difference. Paintbrush tool makes a path. Blob Brush tool makes a shape. Okay, let's do it another way. Let's imagine I am making an octopus. Okay, I made a head. Now I will make legs with the paintbrush tool. And I want to make them to unite and hit the unite button. Voila! It became a mess. Okay, undo. And try with Blob Brush tool. Make a head again, leg as well, and unite. See, it looks nothing changed at all. Check the outline mode. As you can see, you can recognize what I'm talking about. So, I'm pretty sure now you know what the difference is between paintbrush tool and Blob Brush tool, right? So, if you are going to unite them after drawing something with the brush tool, it's better to use Blob Brush tool rather than the paintbrush tool. But here's a way that you can make a shape with paintbrush tool. It's easy. Just select the object you draw with the paintbrush tool and go to the object in the menu bar, hit the expand appearance, and then you can work with Pathfinder. I hope that I helped your curiosity as well. Let's watch how I practiced. Coco can do, you can do. Thank you for watching. Next time, I will come with Embato Touch Plus lessons. See you! Bye!